So, yeah, hello, hi everyone. Myself Monica Dasapalli. Today we are going to give group presentation of applying strategy management theory and analyzing the strategic position of organization KFC. So, coming to group information, our module code is 7043 SSL. Module name is Organizations and Strategy. Our group number is 24, and we have selected company KFC. Myself, Monica Daspalli, and we are total 5 members. Hemant Sai Kumar Challa, Rupa Kolar Bhupati, Bharat Reddy Rapolu, Sushma Reddy Palaprolu. And coming to introduction slide, KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken is one of the largest global fast food companies. The company was founded in Kentucky, USA by Colonel Harlan Sanders. It was started in 1930 and now has become one of the biggest fast food brands. So philosophy of KFC always stands on CHAMPS program. So C for cleanliness, H for hospitality, A for accuracy, M for maintenance of facilities, P for product quality, S for speed of service. And KFC, it is a popular fast food chain which is known for its fried chicken. The company started its franchise in USA and moved it to Canada. Currently, the company has stores in over 22,621 locations across 150 countries. So it is considered the second largest fast food chain in the world after the McDonald's because it is giving a very high competition. The chain is a subsidiary of Yum Brands. So it comes under the organization Yum Brands. So coming to next slide. It's about pestle analysis. So, pestle analysis have factors like political, economic, socio-cultural, technological, legal, and environmental factors. So, coming to political impacts of changing government policies, economic global slowdown decreased fast food consumption. It has issues in expanding business in emerging markets. Social cultural considers customers identify the brand as fashionable despite the low price. Demand of healthier food might block the growth with the KFC signature fried chicken. So technologically, we have facial recognition technology, which is used to track consumer demand and collect data, and it also have various options of mobile pay nowadays. And legally, we have it operates around 120 countries, since lack of transparency, which impact the operations like employment because of the labor laws and all, and environmental biodegradable packaging. Developed a small-scale cogeneration system called SHIP to turn cooking oil into electricity, and hot water reduce waste also. So being a major contributor to the economy, key political factors are impacting KFC positively. So in terms of expansion, high rate of inflation and natural calamities also already affect them as well. So it's a major scope with increase in consumer income. So next slide will be explained by Rupa. Over to you, Rupa.
Thank you, Monica. Myself, and coming to the resource-based view theory, in this section, the resource-based theory has been used to identify the intangible and tangible resources of the company. And coming to the land resource, it has valuable and inimitable an organization. The impact is realized temporary competitive advantages. And comparing the land, supplies, and infrastructure resources, the tangible and intangible resources are same. And coming to the material, it has valuable and imitable and rare organization. The impact is realized sustainable competitive advantage. And coming to the next slide, Porter 5 forces. According to Porter 5 forces, model provided a comprehensive framework for assessing the industry competitiveness and understanding the strategic position of a company. It consists factors such as the threats of a new entrants, bargaining power of suppliers and buyers, threats of substitutes, and competitive rivalry. So basically, KFC organizations has low threats of new entrants, which justifies the customer strategy, brand strengths, product differentiation, and scale economic acts as a barrier for new trends. And coming to the threats of substitutes, it has low impact, which says that in fast food, all substitutes are considered as competitive, and thus there is less threats of substitutes. And the bargaining power of the suppliers, it has moderate impact, which concludes that they have indirect power, which forces the company to innovate and differentiate. Finally, that the Porter 5 forces model has been used to perform strategic analysis of the company, and the bargaining power of suppliers is quite insignificant. The bargaining power of consumers is moderate. The company faces a low threats of new entrants. And the next slide will be explained by Shushma.
Thank you, Rupa. I'm Sushma, and the business model canvas. It is a strategic management template used for developing new business models and documenting existing ones. And the parts of this model canvas is customer segments, value proposition, revenue stream, channels, customer relationships, key partners, and cost structure. And the key partners are shoppers, manufacturers, suppliers, and the customer relationships are two types: customer service and self service. And also, customer significance are women, men, and kids. And there are different types of channel. There are mobile applications, physical stores, and online deliveries. And revenue streams: sales from the stores and online deliveries through the food apps. And strategic position of the company. KFC is facing major issues due to the increased demand of healthy functionality of products, which is currently only highlighted to tasty. And the company shifted from undifferentiated targeting strategy to localization. This is why, even though the current strategies of KFC are appropriate to draw customers and create a strong brand position, even though are not enough in the long term, when majority of the customer base will no longer and relying on fast food. They apply push and pull strategies to direct promotional route and pull customers towards products. And KFC is moving from district level to divisional level by opening branches. They offer home delivery, and other outlets are on reachable places to make the process even more easier for customers. Apart from that, the frequency of new product launch, longer menu, easy across for the customers, and affordability has made the company stronger enough. Overall, KFC's current strategic position is effective but not diversified. And the next topic will be explained by one of my teammate Bharat. Over to you, Bharat.
Thank you, Sushma. I am Bharat. Today I'm going to tell the Porter generic strategy in this slide, which states about the cost leadership, differentiation focus strategy, cost focus, and differentiation focus. So the cost leadership is a strategy involves a gaining of competitive advantage by lowering cost. Cost leadership is the main generic strategy that KFC uses in various consumer markets. However, the primary object of using this strategy is to preserve the market leadership position throughout efficient value chains management. This strategy allows KFC the market share by targeting the middle class, which makes the largest proportion of overall consumer market mix in most of the countries. Middle class consumers generally place high importance of price factor, and cost leadership is the best strategy cater the needs of consumer segment. KFC focus on affordability and easy accessibility of its produce across the globe, which leads towards high brand awareness and high sales growth, provides a strong competitive advantage basis. The discussion of KFC cost leadership strategy has outlined many benefits offered by generic strategies, such as gaining quick brand recognition, expanding the emphasizing over products, affordability and accessibility. So the KFC, the second differentiation states that differentiation is another most commonly used generic strategy to build a competitive advantage. KFC uses differentiation combined with cost leadership strategy to achieve growth objectives. However, the differentiation strategy, adoption of differentiation as second generic strategy allows KFC to expand the customer base by emphasizing over the unique product features. KFC strategic objective of using strategy is to differentiate the embedding, the innovation, and address the consumer growing health concerns. Thoroughly differentiation generic strategy, KFC position its products offering a way to stand out and different from the available alternatives. Moreover, the company offers a wide variety of flavors to match the unique taste needs to consumer its users innovation a tool for offer different arguments. Focus strategy. Focus is a third generic competitive strategy that encourages companies to concentrate their resources on expanding the narrow targeted segments. When company adopts this focus strategy, they serve particular market segments and based on the competitive. Coming to the next slide. ANSOF matrix. ANSOF matrix involves market penetration, product development, market development, and diversification. So ANSOF matrix is a method to achieve target object business strategy. It can be considered long-term business plan in the existing document. KFC has been discussed ANSOF based on ANSOF matrix. Market penetration. The selling of goods and services in a specific market is considered as market penetration. KFC is constantly struggling to improve the quality of its products in Brazil and Argentina. Therefore, a market penetration plan may assist to doing the same throughout the old goods before a new market. Product development is a different products of services that provide additional benefit to the customer is called product development. Buying behavior of the customer has been changed to various changes in the demography and lifestyle of the customer. Although KFC is required to focus on production of vigorous options. Market development, it deals with the production of goods and services. Diversification, products of unique products and services to attain competitive is called diversification strategy. So the next slide will be dealt by Hemant.
Yeah, thank you, Bharat. Myself, Hemant. Sustainability of business model in KFC. Sustainability in KFC, it refers to the company to reduce the negative environmental impact resulting from the operation in a particular market or organization. In KFC is focused to reduce the GHS emission by 46% by to 2030. The company is main focusing on recycling the products. The major components of the company like McDonald's and Burger King are the competitors of international market. The main factor of KFC prolonged business is the location of the stores and the ranges of menus and involving the stores layout of newer items to attract the customers. And KFC should be more expensive to customer inquiry and demands. The company legal operations, the policy compliances should be more strengthened. And the main key point is the KFC has been criticized a lot of not saying the truth to the sustainability commitments. This is the reason why the company has been mocked in various occasions and the customers. Coming to the next slide. It's a conclusion. KFC is known as main product, fried chicken product. It's a main dish in the organization. The brand name is used for the expansion of the company. The main important thing is the company has become one of the well-known fast food brands because of its unique product and a secret menu. However, the company still requires to find a sustainable solution to reduce the waste and increase the quality of food in the international market. Coming to the next slide. Okay, recommendations. KFC has to test the new menu executively before launching the item. The company has to change its prices strategy based on the international market and its company. The company needs to hire local chefs who can use creative to make the local inspired KFC product taste better. And the main important thing is the company has also local chefs to create local inspired food items as to taste good. Brand awareness is remote countries while expanding to those markets who can achieve from specific markets a legal strategy. And coming to the next slide, it's references. References like we mentioned all the references among the slides. That's it, guys. Thank you for the day.